shit. This is why you buy a mount for you, when you're trying to be a YouTuber. Anywho, alright, so cool. It's been a cool minute since we've been on this bullshit. I'm gonna like keep this shit short, or at least keep this intro short, and we're gonna get started on what we're gonna do today. As far as looks wise, I have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna do, just like always. I was thinking about doing either a drag look or beauty look, or I'm kind of thinking about putting both and integrating them. I'm probably gonna do a crazy eye like I usually do, wing that shit out like always. So we'll see what kind of mess we're gonna get ourselves into. As you can see, my eyeballs are already drawn in. Alright, for today we're gonna be fucking with this Jaclyn Hell palette, and we're gonna see the outcome of this bitch. We're gonna take my trusty sidekick 224 by MAC, and we're gonna use Silk Cream as our first shadow. I start to work the eyeshadow onto the outskirts of my eye, and then work my way in. So I pack on into the outer corner, and then blend all the way inside into the inner corner of my eye. With the same brush, I'm going to take on MFEO. This shadow is going to have the same placement as Silk Cream. The only difference is that I'm not going to take it as high as I did with Silk Cream. I'm only going to take it onto where my natural sock line is. So this is the side-by-side comparison with applying the MFEO. As for my second brush, I'm going to take on the M332 by Morphe. And here's where I got stuck. This is where I didn't know what kind of shadow I wanted to transition into, so apparently I took on Buns, so Buns became my key eyeshadow. I'm going to place it onto the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to wing it out just a little bit, but I'm going to pack it onto the outer corner of my eye, and then with the product that's already on the brush, I'm going to try to push it inward, but just very lightly because I don't want it to overshadow MFEO. And then here goes the side-by-side comparison. Next brush I'm going to take on is going to be the M222. And the next shade I'm going to take on is Jaclyn. Because I want a denser smoky eye, I'm going to place it onto the shadow prior to it, and then just kind of push it inward. Next I'm just taking this clean blending brush, and we better fuck it up. Next, I'm just taking a regular old flat brush that I had from like forever. I'm gonna wet it with Fix Plus because that's kind of my gig. And I'm gonna take on Firework. Now, Firework is kind of like this beautiful copper brown color, and I'm gonna place it onto the outer corner of my lid and just kind of pack this really in. Next, I'm gonna take on Little Lady onto the other side of that flat brush, and I'm gonna start to apply it onto the inner corner of my eye. And as I apply onto the inner corner of my eye, I kind of want to be precautious that I kind of blend those shadows in, just because I don't want to have a harsh line in between. You know what I'm saying? Now this is the part that hurts, but let me tell you, that line is cut. Next, I'm just gonna fast forward the beats on my face. If you guys want a video tutorial of how I do my, or an update of how I do my face, just comment down below and I'll more than gladly put a video together for y'all. I've had this product for quite some time now, and I've never got around to use it, so, you know, let's cross our fingers. I can already tell you, that's the face of disappointment. Yeah, I'm not really fucking with this product. But here we go, bam, This is the actual content that I live for. Fuck yes. This is actually a new setting powder that I'm going to try out. And let me tell you, Yes. I can't stress enough how much I love this bronzer, but I feel like half the time it doesn't do anything. But I'm delusional like most of the time, so I feel like it does everything. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking a shader brush using MFEO, and I'm going to apply it onto all of the bottom of my eye. And then I'm taking on Buns, same with the same shader brush, and I'm going to apply it onto the midway point of the bottom of my eye. And then, look like a raccoon. And then I'm taking Jax. Jax is going to apply onto the outer corner of my eye, and just kind of just stamp it there. And I don't know, this is kind of like how I like to finish off my eyes most of the time. Next, I'm taking on this very fine point brush, and I'm going to wet it with Fix Plus, and I'm going to take on Faint. Faint is this beautiful, this beautiful pearl color, and I'm going to take it onto the inner corner of my eye, just to kind of give it that pop. Even though we have a smoky eye going on, like, I just need that pop in the inner corner of the eye. Then we're going to stamp it with some Ardell 120 black lip. I think these are wispies. You can never have a look without that glow. And even though I set my face with powder, I'm gonna, just spray my shit with some good Fix Plus, because why the fuck not? Okay, so this is the finishing product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully it was something different, or maybe better than what you guys seen before.